Hey guys, assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a challenge video of my 7 days 7 makeup challenge videos. Today is a first video of this series. Today I'm picking one tip makeup challenge. Let's see how it turns out. So let's get started. For my primer, today I'm using this primer from Blackout. Only one tip. Oh my god. So that was a lot. I'm afraid about my foundation. Foundation from La Femme. Shade is 01. I'm going to apply this all over my face with my fingers, and then I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender. Let's have a dip. Oh yeah.
আল্লাহ ভিডিও দেখে হইতাছিল না
What? সত্যি দেখি
আপনি ক্যাপি সারা
That's it guys. I don't have any product in it. For my blush, I'm going to use this blush from Outdoor Girl. Let's do it. Only one tip. I'm going to have a very big tip. Ready? Ready. Oh! Already nice.
Tuta nada. What is it?
Ah! কি হইল?
ছাইয়া দে দুই জায়গায় বড় সব জায়গা দে ওই জায়গাতে
অনেক কম হলো।
হ্যাঁ অনেক সুন্দর হয়েছে এনে ভালো আছে অল্প অল্প দিই কর
That's not enough for me. Let's move on. I'm going to have my highlighter with the same fluffy brush, not with this fan brush because you know. I'm going to use this Moa highlighter. Let's have a big dip. Oh man, kichu barna.
তো জোরে দিয়ে করবি না তাহলে সব জায়গায় ওরা জানা
Oy.
সুন্দর করে থাকো
That's not enough for me, you know guys. Okay, let's move on. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Haute Eyebrow Cream. Let's have a big dip. কি সিদ্ধ করলো না
হয়ে গেছে আলাদা
That's it. For my eyes, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from Kylie Cosmetics, the bronze palette. I'm only one dip for my both eyes. Let's do it. Let's have a big dip.
পরোটা দিতে হবে। দেখা যায় না তো কিছু
এই চোখটা না বেশি হয়ে
তাহলে দিয়ে
ও হয়ে যা হয়ে যা। It's a lighter eye, it's a darker eye.
ঠিক আছে তুমি 1 মিনিট না দিয়ে 5 মিনিটের চ্যালেঞ্জ হলো তাও একটা
5 মিনিট দিয়ে আমি
আগে ঠিক করে
Next I'm picking this shade for my lower line. Only one dip for my both eyes. কিচ্ছু দেওয়া যাবে না।
দেওয়া যায় সাইকেলটা দিয়ে
It seems zero difference. Though it's a one dip challenge, so I have picked my Lakme eyeliner for this challenge because it's one dip is a lot. Let's have it. ভালোই হলো। Not bad. Today I'm using this Golden Rose mascara for my eyelash. Now I have a big dip. Let's apply it.
তাতেই করতে হবে না শুকা দেবো এটা তাকে সবটাতে লাগা পুরোটাতে লাগা ঠিক আছে স্থান না তো টাকা দিকে না একটু
এদিকে বেশি হয়ে গেলো
না ওই মতো সমস্যা নেই।
This is also not enough for me, so I have to put my falsies and I'll be right back. For my inner corner and my brow bone, I'm going to use the same highlighter. One more tip. It's not one more tip, it's
only one tip
necessary. It's the other thing, na? Other step.
এটা না তো ওই গ্লিটার না দিবে
It's the other step. এটাকে দিয়ে লই
কে
হ্যাঁ brow bone আর inner corner দিমু ready এটা কি হইব It's also zero difference. Let's move into next step. Now I'm going to use this glitter for my inner corner. Let's have a big dip. It's a lot, I guess. Let's do it. Let's do it. It looks so pretty, I guess. I have a lot of products left. I can do my lid with this. Let's leave it. Let's not be so greedy. Now it's time for lips. So today I'm going to use my NYX nude lipstick. Let's have a big dip. Hopefully it will be enough for me. Voila! I did it! Yeah! I don't need setting spray in this winter because it's not melt. In winter, makeup stays naturally. I don't need anything else, so that's it. It's not that bad. You should also try this with the honest mind. So guys, that concludes this makeup challenge. I had a lot of fun. It's my first time experienced something like this. So guys, I'll see you tomorrow then with my another makeup challenge. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also enable the notification bell because the notification bell is every time I upload. Thanks for watching me everyone, and hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow. Inshallah. Be happy, be confident. Allah Hafiz.